You know what's funny? Nobody quits their healthy eating plan on a calm, organized, peaceful day. Nobody. You quit when life gets stupid. You quit when you're busy. You quit when you're stressed. You quit when you get home tired and your kitchen looks like a place where effort goes to die. That's when the plan falls apart. And if your nutrition only works when life is perfect, then your nutrition doesn't work. This is where most people mess up. They build a healthy eating plan for their ideal self. The version of them that meal preps every Sunday, drinks water like a fitness influencer, and somehow enjoys chomping on vegetables at 8 p.m. That person does not exist. At least not consistently. You need a nutrition plan for the version of you that is tired, annoyed, late, and one inconvenience away from ordering enough takeout to feed a youth soccer team. Here's the truth. Bad days are not interruptions. Bad days are part of the program. And that is exactly why most diets fail. People plan healthy eating like this. Monday I'll cook, Tuesday I'll be disciplined, Wednesday I'll stay on track. That's all cool. But what happens when Wednesday punches you in the face? Flat tire, late shift, kids screaming, your boss acting like they get paid extra to ruin your day. Now what? Because if your only nutrition strategy is, I hope I make good choices, then you don't have a strategy, you have optimism. And optimism is not a meal plan. In a second, I'm going to show you the 3 emergency nutrition backups every beginner should have ready. Because these 3 things alone can save an entire bad week. But first, there's one mindset mistake we need to kill. You have to stop viewing bad days as failures. This is huge. Because the second your day gets messy, you think, well, this day is ruined. Then comes the classic fitness math. I already ate bad at lunch today, so dinner doesn't really matter. And since today is shot, I'll just restart on Monday. Monday sure has seen some things, hasn't it? Monday is carrying this entire industry on its back. But consistency isn't built by restarting every Monday. Consistency is built by learning how to minimize damage on Thursday at 7:42 p.m. when you're this close to eating whatever requires the least emotional commitment. So here are the 3 emergency nutrition backups you should always have. Backup number 1, fast protein meal at home. Something brainless. Wraps, rotisserie chicken, Greek yogurt bowls, eggs and toast. This is not gourmet dining. This is, I need to stop sabotaging myself dining. Backup number 2, approved drive-through takeout options. Yes, I said drive-through, because pretending you'll never need convenience food is fantasy. No 2 to 3 meals you can grab that are better than giving up completely. Backup number 3, portion-controlled emergency snacks. Protein bars, fruit, nuts, jerky, whatever keeps you from arriving at home so hungry you're eating shredded cheese directly out of a bag like a raccoon. No judgment, survival only. Now, those backups help a lot, but there's still one hidden reason people continue to overeat on chaotic days, and almost nobody talks about it. This one even surprised me when I first started coaching beginners. Decision fatigue. By the end of a stressful day, your brain is fried. You've made 1,000 decisions already. Work decisions, family decisions, life decisions, tiny, annoying decisions like, why is this email chain still going on? So when food comes up, your brain wants the easiest dopamine possible. That's why nighttime eating gets so many people. It's not just hunger, it's mental exhaustion looking for relief. Which means if your food choices still require effort, cooking, measuring, or thinking, you're way more likely to fold. This is why simple beats perfect every single time. Your goal is not to create a nutrition plan that survives perfect days. Your goal is to create one that survives messy ones. Because the people who get results are not the people who never have chaotic days. They're the people who stop chaotic days from becoming chaotic weeks. That's the big difference. If you need help building a simple nutrition system that works in real life, not Fantasyland, check out the links I have down below. I've got tools, guides, and coaching resources designed specifically to help beginners stay consistent even when life gets busy. because that's where real progress happens. And of course, if this message helped you today, subscribing helps me make more videos for the people who really need it.